Here's just a front for Wolfshine, gangster, to get his claws into respectable folk like Walter Chase.
The only respectable thing about you, old sport, is your money. Your money, that's it. I've just as much as you. That means we're equal.
Oh, no. We're different. I am, they are, she is. We're all different from you. You see, we were born different. It's in our blood. Steal nothing that you do, say or steal, or dream up. You have a case. A girl like this. You shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Gatsby looked in that moment as if he had killed a man.
My sincerest apologies. I seem to have lost my temper.
That's right, Mr. Gatsby. Show us some of those fine Oxford manners.
What about the Flamingo?
She stayed there too.
My sister lived at Belle Reeve.
This is after the home place had slipped through her lily white fingers. She moved to the Flamingo, a second-class hotel which has the advantage of not interfering with the private social life of the personalities there. But even the management of the Flamingo was impressed by Dame Blanche. In fact, they were so impressed by Dame Blanche that they requested her to turn in her room key for permanently. And this happened a couple weeks before she showed here.
What contemptible lies!
I can see how you'd be upset by this. She pulled the wool over your eyes as much as Mitch's.
It's pure invention. There's not a word of truth in it. And if this creature dares to invent such things in my presence...
Honey, I told you I thoroughly checked on these stories. Now wait till I finish. The trouble with Dame Blanche was that she couldn't put on her acting laurel anymore. They got wise up after 2 or 3 dates with her, and then they quit. And she goes on to another. The same old line, the same old act, the same old hooey. But the town was too small for this to go on forever. And this time, as time went by, she became more of a town character, regarded as not just different, but downright loco, nuts. So much for her being refined and particular type of girl. Which brings me to line number 2.
No, I do not want to hear any more.
She's not going back to school to teach. In fact, I am willing to bet you that she has never had no idea of returning to Laurel. She didn't resign temporarily from the high school because of her nerves. No, Sirree Bob, she didn't. They kicked her out of high school before her spring term ended. And I hate to tell you the reason why that step was taken. A 17-year-old boy she got mixed up with.